Go.
Number 60 on the practice ACT is a trigonometry question, and is one that involves calculating the cosine of some angle by looking at it as a difference of two angles that are well known. Namely, and this is given in radians if you've seen that before, pi over 3 is 60 degrees and pi over 4 is 45 degrees. So the question is, what is the cosine of pi over 12, given that pi over 12 can be written as pi over 3 minus pi over 4, and that the cosine of the quantity alpha minus beta is equal to the cosine of alpha times the cosine of beta plus the sine of alpha times the sine of beta. So first, real quick, pi over 12 is equal to 4 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12. So the 4 minus 3 gives you the 1. But here you can take out a common factor of 4, that gives you pi over 3. Here you can take out a common factor of 3, which gives you pi over 4. So now we want to calculate the cosine of pi over 12. So we can write that as they give us a hint, as pi over 3 minus pi over 4. So then if we go back up and we look at this, that means that for us, pi over 3 is my alpha, and pi over 4 is my beta. And so I simply continue across here and plug in what I have. So I have that this is going to be equal to the cosine of alpha, and my alpha is pi over 3. So it's going to be the cosine of pi over 3 times the cosine of pi over 4 plus the sine of pi over 3 times the sine of pi over 4. And then they've been kind and have given us the table so we can actually just read the numbers from here. So if I continue down here, I need to come over here and I look at my cosine column, and I come down here until I reach my pi over 3. So the cosine of theta column and my pi over 3 row gives me a value of 1/2. So this is 1/2. And then I come back up to the cosine column again, and I go down until I get pi over 4, and that's square root of 2 over 2. And then I do the same thing for my sine. The sine of pi over 3, which is my second column, is going to give me square root of 3 over 2. And my sine of 45 degrees, or pi over 4 radians, is square root of 2 over 2. So then just multiply that out and simplify. So the first is going to be the square root of 2 over 4 plus the square root of 6. Square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6 over 4. Same denominator, so I can write square root of 2 plus the square root of 6 all over 4. And that answer on the sheet is answer H.